Today, we are going to learn how to add page numbers in Word. Adding page numbers helps us to organize our documents. Now to begin, open up your Word document on your PC. Go to the Insert tab in the menu bar. Click on the page number in the headers and footer section. You click the arrow beside it. Once it is opened, you choose where you want the page number to appear. It could be at the top of the page, the bottom of the page, and there are samples here. You can also set the page margins. You can also fix the number for the current position. Now, to choose at the top of the page, you can either choose it at the top, at the middle of the page, or at the right hand side of the page. So you select whichever you want. Now, the page number has been added to your document. You can also make some adjustments or some customization in it. You still click on the Insert tab. The arrow beside the page number, you can choose to format your page numbers. Now you can choose if you want the page numbers to appear in Roman numerals, figures, or Arabic forms. You click the arrow beside it to choose how you want it to appear. You can also choose the page number to continue from the previous section or to start a new page number. Once you're done, you click OK. Now, easy and simple. You have successfully added page numbers in Word. Hope this helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more content. Bye guys, see you in the next video.